Over 1,400 years ago, in the deserts of Arabia, verses were revealed to a man who couldn't read or write. Today, many of those verses are being echoed in laboratories, space observatories, and scientific discoveries. Is this just coincidence? Or is it a sign? A reminder? A truth we've forgotten to look for? In this tale, we explore 15 Quranic verses that align with modern science, not to prove anything, but to awaken something. Because sometimes, purpose doesn't shout. It reveals itself, in patterns, in atoms, in silence. Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 30, the heavens and the earth were joined, then we split them apart. Scientific proof, the Big Bang theory, accepted in cosmology, states that the universe began from a single, dense point that expanded. This matches the joined split description in the Quran. Surah Al-Mulk, verse 3, He is the one who created 7 heavens, one above the other. Scientific proof, Earth's atmosphere has 7 main layers. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, ionosphere, ozonosphere. These layers serve different protective and functional roles, confirmed by atmospheric science. Surah Yasin, 40, It is not for the sun to catch up with the moon, nor does the night outrun the day. Each is traveling in an orbit of their own. Scientific proof, the sun, earth, moon, and all celestial bodies orbit in space, proven by Newtonian physics and modern astronomy. Surah Ad-Dariyat, verse 47, We built the universe with great might, and we are certainly expanding it. Scientific proof, in 1929, Edwin Hubble discovered that galaxies are moving away from each other, proving that the universe is expanding. The Quran mentioned this 14 centuries prior. Surah Al-Insan, verse 2, For indeed, we alone created humans from a drop of mixed fluids. Scientific proof, modern embryology confirms fertilization occurs when sperm, male fluid, and ovum, female fluid, meet. These fluids contain genetic material responsible for human creation, unseen and unknown 1,400 years ago. Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse 14, Then we developed the drop into a clinging clot, then developed the clot into a lump of flesh, then developed the lump into bones, then clothed the bones with flesh, then we brought it into being as a new creation. Scientific proof, the Quran describes the embryo as a clot and then a chewed-like lump. Modern ultrasound images show embryos looking exactly like this at early stages, matching what the Quran said 1,400 years ago. Surah An-Anbiya, verse 30, And we created from water every living thing. Scientific proof, all living cells contain water. It's essential for biochemical reactions, nutrient transport, and DNA structure. NASA also seeks water on other planets when searching for life. Surah Al-Qiyamah, verse 4, Yes indeed. We are most capable of restoring even their very fingertips. Scientific proof, every person has a unique fingerprint, even identical twins. This was discovered centuries after the Quran, and the Quran hinted it long ago. Today, it's used in forensics and identification. Surah An-Nahl, verse 66, We give you to drink of what is in their bellies, from between digested food and blood, pure milk, pleasant to drink. Scientific proof, nutrients from digested food are absorbed into the bloodstream, then filtered into mammary glands to produce milk, exactly as the Quran describes. Surah Ad-Dariyat, verse 49, And we created pairs of all things. Scientific proof, modern science shows duality in everything. Matter and antimatter. Electrons with positive and negative charges. Male and female in biology. Even plants have male and female reproductive parts. Surah Al-Anbiya, verse 32, And we made the sky a protected ceiling. Scientific proof, the Earth's atmosphere shields life by blocking harmful radiation, UV, cosmic rays, burning meteors, and stabilizing climate, proven by atmospheric physics and space research. Surah An-Naba, verse 6 and 7, have we not smoothed out the earth like a bed, and made the mountains as its pegs? Scientific proof, the earth's crust has mountain roots that extend deep underground, acting like pegs that stabilize tectonic plates. Known as isostasy in geology. Surah Al-Hijr, 22, we send fertilizing winds, and bring down rain from the sky for you to drink. Scientific proof, wind aids cross-pollination by carrying pollen grains between plants. This was not known until botanical science advanced. Surah Al-Hadid, verse 25, and we sent down iron. Scientific proof, iron cannot be naturally formed on Earth. It's made in the cores of massive stars through nuclear fusion and delivered to Earth by supernova explosions, confirmed by astrophysics. The Quran already declared it was sent down. Surah Ar-Rahman, verse 19 and 20, he merges the two bodies of fresh and salt water, yet between them is a barrier they never cross. Scientific proof, in estuaries where salt and fresh water meet, there's a helicline, a physical barrier due to differences in salinity, density, and temperature, verified in oceanography. This invisible barrier exists. The Quran is not a science book. Yet, it whispered truths to humanity, centuries before telescopes, labs, and modern theories. What do these verses mean to you? Coincidence, or something far beyond? This is Purposeful Tales, where we uncover meaning beyond the surface. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, for more stories that whisper purpose to your soul.